December 2023. So the reason why I'm showing you the date is because I want you to see this. So in my Monetag account, there are around this much amount as of today, as of 6th. Now, how did I get here? That's what this video is all about. So in this video, I'm going to show you a strategy that you can use to monetize or to make money on Monetag without actually ever needing to pay for anything. All the things we will be talking about here today are free, and number two, they are easy to do because anyone can do it. What are we talking about exactly? So this is the strategy. This is the strategy that can give you over $500 a month using Monetag. Yeah, and as I've said, you don't need no website, you don't need no money, you don't need to invest anything. This is the strategy. The first thing you need to do is to build a targeted audience, and the way you build here is you have a lot of options of building an audience. The first one is having a blog, yeah, but remember in this case we don't need a website. Remember, running a website takes a lot of things. You need to buy domain, you need to buy hosting, and of course that means you need to spend some money, but in this case we don't want to spend any money. The audience that we will be building is an email list. So an email list is a list, is actually just exactly what it sounds. You need a list of people that have given you their name and their email address, and of course the consent of you emailing them every day, every week, or after every 2 days, depending on whatever you're comfortable with. Now, to build that audience, remember we are building an email list. You need to pick a niche. So a niche is something, a specific thing. It can be about football. So you can collect emails of people who love football. You can collect emails of people who love freelancing, maybe writing, maybe video editing. Once you've picked a niche, the next thing is to create a freebie. So you need to create something that you can give them for free. Remember, no one nowadays just gives out their email address and name. They need something in return. That's where this freebie comes in. So you need to create something for free that you can give to these people in exchange of their name and their email address, because we will be monetizing this audience using Monetag. We need a topic that has high CPM. CPM means when it comes to this kind of getting paid per click, CPM means cost per mil. That's how much money you make per 1,000 impressions. Yeah, so how much money you make per 1,000 impressions. So the niche that you pick here should be among some of those known to have high CPM. Now, I did a quick Google search, and these are some of the results. I now found this answer on Quora, that these are some of the niches that has high CPM. That's finance and insurance, health and wellness, technology, home and garden, travel, education. If I were you, maybe I would start an email list of health and wellness. Maybe guys who want to build their muscle, say men, or those guys who want to lose weight, so you can build an email list around that. Also, finance and insurance, you can build an email list around people who want to learn more about forex and such stuff. Some people want to learn more about binary trading and all that. So you need to, those are the kinds of niches that have high CPM. Also, if you love traveling, you can build an email list around travel. So you collect email of people who are interested in traveling. So these are the niches. I'll leave a link in the description to this article, or to this answer actually in Quora. Then you can read it and it will help you pick a niche. So remember, once you've picked a niche, the next step is to create a freebie. Now, the good thing about creating a freebie like an ebook is you don't have to do it yourself. You can use ChatGPT to create an ebook for you. So say I've picked a niche on health and wellness. So I want to teach people, or I want to build an email list around guys who want to lose weight. So I can go to ChatGPT and tell it, give me 5 best ebooks titles for guys who are interested in losing weight. Then pick one that looks promising, and then tell it to write an ebook around that. Compile it, then download it as PDF, and you are ready for the next step. Once you have a need, you've created an ebook, you're not there yet. What you need is what you call an autoresponder. So the autoresponder is a software, special software that will help you collect these emails and then allows you to manage them. That's managing means maybe deleting, adding more, and then now maybe sending out emails as frequently as you want. As I said earlier, you can send daily, twice a day, maybe once a week, once a month, depending on whatever you're comfortable with. That's an email autoresponder. So it's just a software. Now, lucky for us, there is a free option on a Systemo. So I'll show you in a minute what it looks like. So Systemo is for free, and it's free up to 2,000 contacts. That means you can collect up to 2,000 emails for free. Absolutely, which means and you can communicate these emails anytime. You can send unlimited emails per day, per month, without paying anything up to 2,000 emails. Now beyond that, now you'll start paying. But remember, if you reach past 2,000 emails, it means most probably you're making good money. Then of course you'll be comfortable paying for it. Now once you sign up for Systemo, I'll show you in a minute how to do that. You need to build a campaign. So an email campaign is a series of messages. They call it email drip anyway. So email drip is where you drip, like it's just the way it sounds, like you drip emails. So instead of sending a bunch of emails, you can create you can break down, say you are teaching about, say, the tips of losing weight, say in 1 week. So you can say, okay, I have these messages that I can be sending you, or I have these tips that I can be sending you one daily. So over a period of 1 week. So you send them. So 1 week has how many days? 7 days, right? So you can be sending them one email per day. So that's a campaign. Now the act of sending an email, today, tomorrow, that's called email drip. That's email dripping actually. Inside these email drips, or these emails that you're sending daily, you need to educate your contacts. You need to educate your subscribers to build trust, and to get them to be, to consider you as a friend. Remember, most people get to interact with people who they consider as friends. Now, once you have that email contact that you talk to daily, it's time to monetize that. You need now to sign up on Monetag. So once you sign up, I'll show you how to do that in a minute. You need to get what you call a direct link. So remember, Monetag allows you very many ways of monetizing or your audience. Now there's this special one known as a direct link. So a direct link is a special link that you get. I'll leave a link in the description. We've talked about this before, so I'll leave a link in the description where I touch more on how to get that link. But of course I will show you, just I'll brush over on this video, because this video is just all about the strategy. Now once you get that direct link, you need to insert it in one of your emails. Remember, you need to follow in while you're doing this, you need to follow what we call the 80-20% rule. So this is a marketing rule that we as marketers use it. Now what this means is, for every 10 posts or for every 10 emails that you send, only 2 of them should be promotional. The other 8 are for building trust, are for building relationship with your audience, and your audience, remember, here are your subscribers, right? So you need to follow that rule. Once you insert that link, when they click on that link and they take action, you earn the money. So now that's the strategy. Build an email list, build a targeted audience. The reason why it's targeted is because what they see when they click that direct link or that direct Monetag link depends on what the audience or what the person has been browsing on the internet. So if they've been browsing more around say forex, they are more likely to see a forex advert. If they've been browsing about weight loss stuff, they are more likely to see a weight loss advert. That's why we need to build a targeted audience. That's why you need to pick a niche to increase the chances of them seeing the same ad, and of course them clicking that ad and you making money. Now that's mentioned. Now let me show you Systemo. So this is Systemo. It's Systemo actually.io, and it's a free software. You can use the link in the description to sign up. It's an affiliate link and it's free. You know, when you go, if you decide to buy something inside there, I make, you know, a little bit, but at no cost to you. As you can see, they market themselves as the world's easiest all-in-one marketing platform. What this means is, inside this system, you can create a sales funnel. You can also send email marketing or send marketing emails. You can build websites and you can manage your affiliates. You can create actually online courses also inside, and you can automate your marketing. And let's look at pricing actually. Remember, I told you it's for free. So if we look at the pricing, we see there are 4 plans. One is free and the other ones are paid. So if you look at here, the free plan, you get 2,000 contacts, you send unlimited emails, you get 3 sales funnels, and you get to host 1 website, blog posts, publish unlimited blog posts. You can create 1 free course, unlimited students, build 1 community, unlimited community members, and have unlimited file storage. Now once you've exceeded that, say you've got, you know, your emails or your community is growing, you have more emails, then say you've reached 3,000, you can now start paying $27 a month. Then you get improved data here, improved features. So to sign up, just click get my free account. You'll only need, say, if you have a website, just use your official email address. If you don't, use an email, just use your Gmail. And then now this is what the inside looks like. Once you're in, this is what it looks like. Now inside here, of course, you won't be seeing anything because you just signed up. But for me, as you can see, I've been collecting leads. Today, as you can see, today 6th, I already have 3 people sign up, giving out a 5-day free blogging course. Yeah, so I have built an email list around people who want to start blogging. Now just quickly, there are some videos that shows you how to use this platform, but I'll just brush around. Now the first thing, once you get in here, is remember we remember in our strategy we mentioned that you need to create a free ebook. Yeah, so this is what you need to do. Once you have that ebook, just come here to funnels, come here and create a new funnel. Give your funnel a name and then choose what you want here. Remember, we just want to build an audience, so I'll just give this, I'll just choose build an audience. At the currency here, you know, you choose what you're comfortable with, then click save. Once you have that, open it. So a funnel is essentially something that allows you to collect those emails that you have, and then just have them in one place. It's like a funnel. So you get people to that page, they give you their email address and name. Now we need to pick a template for our squeeze page. So a squeeze page is what people will see before they download what you're giving them. It's what they see before they download, so you pick carefully. Now here, let's look which one is the best. So pick one template here that it's look, you know, you like. I saw this one, so you can preview actually what it is. As you can see here, just, and you can edit. So if you like this, edit it. The next thing is what you call now the thank you page. So the thank you page is now what people will see after they've given you an email address. This is what they will see after they've given you their email address. So if you look at, so this is actually where you can actually give them what you're promising them. So if it was a video, you know, you can see here get free video, so they click and then they watch the video. If it was an ebook, so you can change here now, click the button to download the free ebook. So you need to change that. Then when they click, they get the free book, and in return they've given you their name and an email address. Now once you've collected those emails, they will show up here under contacts. It will come here under contacts. As you can see, mine I already have 336 contacts. Yeah, and now once you have these contacts, you can now start sending them emails. Now if you come here and see the campaigns, so this is the campaign that I was talking about. As you can see, 5-day blocking crash course. So there's a drip campaign that I created, that when someone joins, they get their first email the next day, immediately after joining. Then they get an email every day for the next 5 days. Yeah, for the next 5 days. So you can just click here, create, and then now you build out what that email will look like. Now if you want to send an individual email, come to emails, then newsletters. So here we have now the newsletter. So a newsletter is just a single email that you can send in a day. As you can see today, I sent an email about the cost of starting a blog. What does it look like? Now it shows here the email sent. So I sent 298 and 5.3% of them opened. So there was no link, that's why we have 0 clicks here. Now to create an email, just click create, and then so we have the subject. This is what people will see before they click. The sender name, who is coming it, who has sent the email, and then the sender email. That's your email now. Then you can choose either between the visual and classic, so you can experiment with any of that. Yeah, because that's the crash course. Now once you have this email, once you've built enough contacts here, the next thing you need to do now, of course, is to sign up for Monetag. Now remember, we've said that Monetag is a platform that allows you to monetize your audience. So let's look at it quickly, how to sign up and all that. So just go to monetag.com or click the link in the description. It will just bring you to this website. Come here to sign up. Once you've signed up, you need to get a direct link. To get a direct link, once on your dashboard, come to direct link here on your left if you're using a desktop. Then come here and click the direct link. Then give it a funny name, so it can be like weight loss link. Get a tag. Yeah, so this is the link, but it's not yet ready, so you need to copy it, then paste it somewhere. Then you need to add here HTTPS, like that. Now it's ready. Now if you click it, you see it redirects you to some advert. Now that advert that you see will depend on what you've been browsing. It's smart link, so it depends with that what the user has been seeing. So that's it, guys. That's the strategy. You need to build a targeted audience. It can be anything, but make sure it's something that can make you a lot of money. And to do that, you need to pick a niche with high CPM, and some of them include finance, health, technology, home, travel, education. Once you have a niche, you build something that you can give these people for free in exchange for their email address. Now you will need an autoresponder to help you manage those contacts, and that's why we have Systemo that allows you to have up to 2,000 contacts. Then once you've built that audience, now you need to monetize it, and you can monetize it using a Monetag direct link. Now if you have any questions, guys, let me know in the comments. Thanks again for subscribing. If you haven't, make sure you do, and thanks for sharing. If you haven't, you share, and of course I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Shop so freezing, so cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart, or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't